Hi, I'm Mike Cruikshank, and in this quick-fire video, I'm giving you my top 10 tips on how to maximize your self-build budget. The more you educate yourself and research self-build in the early days of your self-build journey, the more informed you will be and the better decisions you will make down the line. Giving your architect a very detailed brief, including what your budget is, what accommodation you require, room sizes, photographs of house designs, and internal-external finishes you like, will greatly assist them in designing a house that will meet your needs, thereby avoiding abortive time and reducing architectural costs. The simpler the design, the more cost-effective it will be, or you may be happy to select a supplier standard design, which would typically save on architectural costs. Now, I'm not suggesting for 1 second you should be building a bland and interesting design, but do be aware that the more complex the design, the more it will cost you to build. Certain construction methods will be more common in different parts of the UK, and so the availability of suitably experienced contractors may influence your choice. The house design may also be better suited to a particular construction method. Building a thermally efficient, airtight, low-energy home, as opposed to installing luxury kitchen units or sanitary ware, etc., will pay dividends for the lifetime of the house by reduced energy bills. Self-project managing will typically be a more cost-effective route than engaging a main contractor to carry out all the works, or you could employ the services of a professional project manager. Obtain a minimum of 3 competitive quotes for every element of the build so that you can price check them to ensure you're not overpaying. No 2 contractors will quote on exactly the same basis, and you need to develop the skill of being able to compare quotations received on an apples for apples basis to get a true comparison in costs. Take time to analyze the architect drawings in detail and make any amendments to the drawings, as this will always be a cheaper option than instructing changes on site once works have been carried out. Push hard for a discount from all your suppliers and contractors, as they generally will always have a degree of wriggle room. The savings you get might not individually be much, but collectively, over a number of suppliers and contractors, they could amount to a considerable saving. Thanks for listening, and please feel free to get in touch with us at the Path to Self-Build Success with your self-build questions. We would be delighted to help progress your project.